I tend to have an overabundance of enthusiasm and ideas when it comes to learning new things. Over the years, this has been both a blessing and at times a curse. For me, it means that I've done a lot of things and have a lot of skills to draw from. But at the same time, it often leads to an anxious disappointment that I haven't been able to do so many of the things that I wanted to. I also find that I can suffer from decision fatigue because there are just so many choices and options when it comes to doing just one thing. I really love the research process, but I often find that after completing the research process sufficiently for a particular project or skill that I want to learn, if I don't have time to start on that project immediately, I can easily get distracted by something else that pops up that I desperately want to do. Once I'm distracted by the new thing, I can even completely forget about the last thing that I was working on. I'm actually doing that right now as we speak. I sat down to finish a blog article that I started a few days ago, and it's all about finding free ways to sell your handmade goods online. Then I got the idea to make this video and share my thoughts with you as I had them. Well, I enjoy being able to share with all of you, and I will eventually get back to that blog article and finish it. You can see how the shiny object syndrome interrupts my workflow and leads me on to something new. The shiny object syndrome refers to constantly chasing the newest and nicest, I guess, thing that you see in front of you at any given time. And it's the less positive side of having an abundance of enthusiasm and constantly being hyper interested in learning or trying new things. I've tried a variety of methods to try to harness this over enthusiasm and make it a real positive in my life. I've tried sketching and journaling new ideas so that I can come back to them at a later date. I've tried writing a short list of projects or things that I want to try, say a maximum of 3 projects at any given time, and telling myself that I'm not allowed to do anything else until these ideas are complete. I've tried dedicating specific amounts of time on specific days to work through my own projects. I've tried telling people about the things I want to learn and work on in hope that it will help me to start and finish them. While some of these things have definitely helped, I do find that the ideas keep coming in faster than I can work on them, and I keep getting distracted by them. Usually I'm in the position of teacher or advisor, but today I'm asking for your advice. I know that some of you may feel that you have the opposite problem to me and you don't feel that ideas come to you easily, but I'm also sure that many of you suffer this same creative affliction that I do. If this is a problem for you, I would love for you to share what has helped. Do you have any rules or strategies that have helped curb your shiny object syndrome? Are there any particular methods that help you to be more productive without being overwhelmed by all the ideas? Or perhaps you are just stuck in the same place that I am and you just want to share your frustrations. Either way, I would love to hear from you in the comments section. This channel is all about helping and sharing, and I look forward to reading your wonderful comments. Until next time, happy weaving.